Tana Technology was established in January 2016, with its headquarters located in Xingu District, Wuxi City, and its branch factories situated in Huayan City and Juancheng City. Since its establishment, it has obtained ISO Quality Management System certification, National High-Tech Enterprise Recognition, and SGS Export Factory Compliance certification. In terms of development, it has also received several practical patent certificates. It has been a benchmark enterprise in the industry. Tana Technology specializes in the design, research and development, and processing and manufacturing of automated equipment, general equipment, precision molds, and their components. We possess imported machining centers, electrical discharge machines, high-precision grinding machines, 3-coordinate measuring machines, and other precision equipment. Our key customer groups include well-known semiconductor and integrated circuit equipment manufacturers, automobile manufacturers, marine engineering project providers, and outdoor ironwork suppliers. With the continuous expansion of the company's scale and the acceleration of the globalization process, the export proportion has increased year by year. The market scope has expanded from Europe, America and Australia to the Middle East, South America and Southeast Asia, and the market share has steadily grown. Tana Technology has always adhered to the business philosophy of honesty as the foundation. With the goal of high quality and efficiency, it strictly controls product quality and delivery cycles, is committed to improving customer satisfaction, achieving domestic substitution, and providing comprehensive and high-quality integrated service solutions for global customers. Every partner is a story. Thank you for being part of our story.